उसे रिजल्ट की कोई चिंता नहीं थी।
He wasn't worried about the result at all. He wasn't worried about the result at all.
मेरी माँ घर पर नहीं थी।
My mother was not at home. My mother was not at home.
जब डिलीवरी बॉय आया तब घर पर कोई नहीं था।
When the delivery boy came, nobody was at home. When the delivery boy came, nobody was at home.
मेरे पापा मुझसे गुस्सा नहीं थे।
My father was not angry with me. My father was not angry with me.
टीवी इतना महंगा नहीं था।
The TV was not so expensive. The TV was not so expensive.
रिजल्ट उतना भी खराब नहीं था जितनी मैंने उम्मीद की थी।
The result was not as bad as I expected. The result was not as bad as I expected.
क्या तुम्हें कोई पीजी मिला?
Did you find any PG? Did you find any PG?
क्या तुमने नए फ्लैट में शिफ्ट किया?
Did you shift to a new flat? Did you shift to a new flat?
क्या वाकई उसने मेरा नाम लिया?
Did he actually take my name? Did he actually take my name?
क्या तुम डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगाना भूल गए थे?
Did you forget to carry your documents? Did you forget to carry your documents?
तुमने सुना नहीं उसने क्या कहा?
Didn't you hear what he said? Didn't you hear what he said?
क्या उसे कोई लड़का मिला?
Did she find any boy? Did she find any boy?
क्या तुमने इस बार पेपर दिया?
Did you appear for the exam this time? Did you appear for the exam this time?
क्या तुमने वो बाइक ले ली?
Did you buy that bike? Did you buy that bike?
क्या बच्चा शेर देखकर डरा नहीं?
Did the child not get scared on seeing the lion? Did the child not get scared on seeing the lion?
क्या तुमने वो गाना सुना?
Did you listen to that song? Did you listen to that song?
क्या मैंने तुम्हें बताया नहीं?
Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you?
क्या उसने तुम्हें प्रपोज किया?
Did he propose to you? Did he propose to you?
क्या वो वहाँ नहीं था जब हम बात कर रहे थे?
Was he not there when we were discussing? Was he not there when we were discussing?
क्या तुम ड्राइव कर रहे थे जब मैंने कॉल किया?
Were you driving when I called you? Were you driving when I called you?
क्या उसने टाइम पर ट्रेन पकड़ ली थी?
Did he catch the train on time? Did he catch the train on time?
क्या वो ठीक ठाक दुबई पहुंच गए थे?
Did they reach Dubai safely? Did they reach Dubai safely?
क्या तुम्हें राहुल का कोई कॉल आया?
Did you get any call from Rahul? Did you get any call from Rahul?
क्या तुम कल छुट्टी पर थे?
Were you on a leave yesterday? Were you on a leave yesterday?
क्या गली में कुत्ते ने किसी को काटा?
Did the dog bite anyone in the street? Did the dog bite anyone in the street?
क्या मीटर चेक करने कोई आया था?
Did anyone come to check the meter? Did anyone come to check the meter?
क्या वो मेरी शादी पर आया था?
Did he come at my wedding? Did he come at my wedding?
क्या उसने तुम्हें अपनी शादी पर बुलाया था?
Did he invite you to his wedding? Did he invite you to his wedding?
क्या तुमने अपने बर्थडे पर दावत दी थी?
Did you give a treat on your birthday? Did you give a treat on your birthday?
क्या तुमने इंटरव्यू की तैयारी की थी?
Did you prepare for the interview? Did you prepare for the interview?
क्या तुमने ये बनाया? क्या तुमने ये बनाया?
Did you make it? Did you make it?
क्या आपको इस वीडियो से सीखने में मजा आया?
Did you enjoy learning from this video? Did you enjoy learning from this video?
क्या आपको ये सेंटेंसेस पहले से पता थे?
Did you know these sentences already? Did you know these sentences already?
क्या आपको ये वीडियोस पसंद आई?
Did you like this video? Did you like this video?
मैं तुम्हें छोड़ूंगा नहीं।
I will not spare you. I will not spare you.
गाड़ी खरीदने के लिए मैं कुछ लोन का इंतजाम करूंगा।
I will arrange for some loan for buying a car. I will arrange for some loan for buying a car.
कॉलेज खत्म करने के बाद मैं मुंबई में नौकरी ढूंढूंगा।
After finishing my college, I will search for a job in Mumbai. After finishing my college, I will search for a job in Mumbai.
हम दिवाली की छुट्टियों में घर की सफाई करेंगे।
We will get our house whitewashed during Diwali holidays. We will get our house whitewashed during Diwali holidays.
अगले हफ्ते मैं पुणे शिफ्ट हो जाऊंगा।
I will ship to Pune next week. I will ship to Pune next week.
हमारा स्कूल नवंबर में खुलेगा।
Our school will open in November. Our school will open in November.
वो सिंगापुर से MBA करेगा।
He will pursue MBA from Singapore. He will pursue MBA from Singapore.
वो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा।
I will have to look into it. I will have to look into it.
मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगा।
I will try my best. I will try my best.
मैं मंडे को छुट्टी लूंगा।
I will take a leave on Monday. I will take a leave on Monday.
मैं पढ़ाई के साथ साथ कोई छोटी मोटी नौकरी कर लूंगा।
I will do some PT job along with my studies. I will do some PT job along with my studies.
28 की उम्र तक मैं सेटल हो जाऊंगा।
I will get settled by the time I turn 28. I will get settled by the time I turn 28.
कल से मुझे जल्दी ऑफिस पहुंचना होगा।
I will have to reach office early from tomorrow. I will have to reach office early from tomorrow.
वो अगले महीने घर खाली कर देगा। वो अगले महीने घर खाली कर देगा।
They will vacate the house next month. They will vacate the house next month.
मैं आज ये सामान
बदलवाने जाऊंगा। Today I will go for getting these items exchange. Today I will go for getting these items exchange.
अगर मौसम बेहतर हो गया तो हम पिकनिक पर चलेंगे.
If the weather improves, we will go on a picnic. If the weather improves, we will go on a picnic.
कल से मैं रोज एक्सरसाइज करूंगा.
I will exercise daily from tomorrow. I will exercise daily from tomorrow.
मैं अगले साल जब बदलूंगा.
मैं अगले साल जॉब बदलूंगा. I will switch my job next year. I will switch my job next year. मेरी एफडी 5 साल बाद मैच्योर हो जाएगी. My FD will get matured after 5 years. My FD will get matured after 5 years.
अगले महीने तक रिजल्ट घोषित कर दिया जाएगा.
The result will be declared by next month. The result will be declared by next month.
दरवाजा बंद कर दो, नहीं तो मच्छर अंदर आ जाएंगे.
Please close the door, otherwise the mosquitoes will enter. Please close the door, otherwise the mosquitoes will enter.
पोछा लगा दो, नहीं तो कोई फिसल जाएगा.
Please mop the floor, otherwise someone will sleep. Please mop the floor, otherwise someone will sleep. डब्बा कसकर बंद कर दो, नहीं तो बिस्किट सिल जाएंगे. Please close the box tightly, otherwise the biscuits will become soggy. Please close the box tightly, otherwise the biscuit will become soggy.
अगर बारिश आ गई तो सारे कपड़े भीग जाएंगे.
If it rains, all clothes will get drenched. If it rains, all cloth will get drenched.
अगर रेंट कम हुआ तो मैं वहाँ फ्लैट ले लूंगा.
If the rent is low, I will take that flat. If the rent is low, I will take that flat.
अगर तुम फर्स्ट आए तो तुम्हें साइकिल मिलेगी.
If you come first, you will get a cycle. If you come first, you will get a cycle.
जब तक डिनर बनता है तब तक हम टीवी देख लेंगे.
While the dinner gets prepared, we will watch TV. While the dinner gets prepared, we will watch TV.
अगर तुम यह ऐप डाउनलोड करो तो तुम्हें कैशबैक मिलेगा.
If you download this app, you will get cashback. If you download this app, you will get cashback.
हम अगले साल नई गाड़ी खरीदेंगे.
We will buy a new car next year. We will buy a new car next year.
ट्रेन आज देरी से चलेगी.
The train will depart late today. The train will depart late today.
पूरे कागजात ना होने की वजह से हमारा काम देरी से होगा.
Our work will be delayed because of incomplete documents. Our work will be delayed because of incomplete documents.
दिवाली पर मैंने नए कपड़े पहनूंगा.
I will wear new clothes I will wear new clothes on Diwali. I will wear new clothes on Diwali.
दिवाली पर हम नया टीवी खरीदेंगे.
We will buy a new TV on Diwali. We will buy a new TV on Diwali.
वो इस बार भी तुम्हारा जन्मदिन भूल जाएगा.
He will forget your birthday even this year. He will forget your birthday even this year.
अगर तुम शर्त हारे तो तुम मुझे 100 रुपीस दोगे.
If you lose the bet, you will give me rupees 100. if you lose the bet, you will give me 100 rupees.
मेरी माँ कल
Meerut.
मेरठ से वापस आएगी।
My mother will return from Meerut tomorrow. My mother will return from Meerut tomorrow.
मैं नाश्ते में ब्रेड बटर और दूध लूँगा।
I will take bread, butter and milk in breakfast. I will take bread, butter and milk in breakfast.
मीरा के
शीला से ज्यादा मार्क्स आएंगे. Meera will score more marks than Sheila. Meera will score more marks than Sheila.
अगले कुछ दिन शिमला में लगातार बर्फ पड़ेगी।
It will snow continuously in Shimla for the next few days. It will snow continuously in Shimla for the next few days.
मुझे 11 बजे वहाँ पहुँचना होगा।
I will have to reach there by 11 a.m. I will have to reach there by 11 a.m. वह फुटबॉल खेलता है. He plays football.
आरुषि स्कूल जाती है।
Arushi goes to school. Arushi goes to school.
मैं मुंबई में रहता हूँ।
I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai.
वह रोज सुबह सैर करने जाता है।
They go for a walk every day. They go for a walk every day.
वो रोज खाना बनाता है।
He cooks food daily. He cooks food daily.
उसे चाय पसंद है।
She likes tea. She likes tea.
तुम अक्सर फोन घर भूल जाते हो।
You often forget your phone at home. You often forget your phone at home.
उसे कहानियाँ सुनना बहुत पसंद है।
He loves to listen to stories. He loves to listen to stories.
वह बहुत जल्दी बात करती है।
She talks very fast. She talks very fast.
हम तुम्हारे पड़ोसी हैं।
We are your neighbors. We are your neighbors.
रिया और पिया दोस्त है।
Riya and Priya are friends. Riya and Priya are friends.
उसे बॉलीवुड मूवी देखना पसंद है।
She likes watching Bollywood movies. She likes watching Bollywood movies.
हमें मैथ की ट्यूशन लगानी है।
We want to join math tuitions. We want to join math tuitions.
तुम्हारी हैंडराइटिंग बहुत सुंदर है।
You have a beautiful handwriting. You have a beautiful handwriting.
उसे साइंस पसंद है।
She likes science. She likes science.
हम जिम साथ में जाते हैं।
We go to the gym together. We go to the gym together.
बच्चे घर पर है।
The children are at home. The children are at home.
आज मौसम बहुत सुहाना है।
The weather is very pleasant today. The weather is very pleasant today.
मेरी बिल्ली बहुत तेज भागती है।
My cat runs very fast. My cat runs very fast.
इंडिया की राजधानी दिल्ली है।
Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India.
वह मैकडोनाल्ड में काम करता है।
He works at McDonald. He works at McDonald.
यहाँ हर रोज बारिश होती है।
It rains here every day. It rains here every day.
मेरे फोन की बैटरी बहुत चलती है।
My mobile's battery lasts very long. My mobile battery lasts very long.
सब दुकानें खुली है।
All shops are open. बंद कर.
आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
I am very happy today. I am very happy today.
उसे चावल नहीं पसंद.
He doesn't like rice. He doesn't like rice.
मुझे आज ऑफिस नहीं जाना.
I don't have to go to office today. I don't have to go to office today.
मेरी तबीयत खराब है.
I am not well. I am not well.
दूध गर्म नहीं है.
The milk is not hot. The milk is not hot.
मैं उससे नाराज नहीं हूँ. मैं उससे नाराज नहीं हूँ.
I am not angry with her. I am not angry with her.
वो अच्छा नहीं गाती.
She does not sing well. She does not sing well.
उनको मदद नहीं चाहिए.
They do not need any help. They do not need any help.
प्रिया को ड्राइविंग नहीं आती.
Priya doesn't know how to drive. Priya doesn't know how to drive.
राहुल सिगरेट नहीं पीता.
Rahul does not smoke. Rahul does not smoke.
मैं गिटार नहीं बजाता.
I don't play guitar. I don't play guitar.
तुम ज्यादा पानी नहीं पीते.
You don't drink enough water. You don't drink enough water.
चाय स्वाद नहीं है.
The tea doesn't taste good. The tea doesn't taste good.
उसको बुखार नहीं है.
He does not have fever. He does not have fever.
मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता.
I don't know how to cook. I don't know how to cook.
मुझे यह शर्ट अब पूरी नहीं आती.
This shirt doesn't fit me anymore. This shirt doesn't fit me anymore.
वो अभी नहीं आए.
They have not arrived yet. They have not arrived yet.
हम अंडे नहीं खाते.
We don't eat eggs. We don't eat eggs.
वो कभी टाइम पर नहीं आती.
She never comes on time. She never comes on time.
मैं इंग्लिश ठीक से नहीं बोल पाता.
I am not able to speak English properly. I am not able to speak English properly.
आज मार्केट बंद नहीं है.
The market is not closed today. The market is not closed today.
मैं अपना वक्त ज्यादा नहीं करता.
I don't waste my time. I don't waste my time.
तुम्हारे पास नौकरी नहीं है.
You don't have a job. You don't have a job.
वो बहुत अमीर नहीं है.
He is not very rich. He is not very rich.
नाश्ता तैयार नहीं है.
The breakfast is not ready. The breakfast is not ready.
मैं ज्यादा नहीं खाता.
I don't eat much. I don't eat much.
क्या तुम इस पहेली को सुलझा सकते हो?
Can you solve this riddle? Can you solve this riddle?
क्या तुम कैब बुक कर सकते हो?
Can you book a cab? Can you book a cab?
क्या मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ?
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
क्या मैं तुमसे कुछ पैसे उधार ले सकता हूँ?
Can I borrow some money from you? Can I borrow some money from you?
क्या हमें तैयार होना है?
Do we have to get ready? Do we have to get ready?
क्या हम शादी में जा रहे हैं?
Are we going to the wedding? Are we going to the wedding?
क्या तुम खुश हो?
Are you happy? Are you happy?
क्या वह काम करता है?
Does he work? Does he work?
क्या वो स्कूल में पढ़ाती है?
Does she teach in a school? Does she teach in a school?
क्या वह चालाक है?
Is he clever? Is he clever?
क्या वह बुद्धिमान है?
Is she intelligent? Is she intelligent?
क्या बाहर गर्मी है?
Is it hot outside? Is it hot outside?
क्या यहाँ बारिश होती है?
Does it rain here? Does it rain here?
तुम्हारे पास कितनी किताबें हैं?
How many books do you have? How many books do you have?
क्या तुम एक दूसरे को जानते हो?
Do you know each other? Do you know each other?
क्या ये तुम्हारी बहन है?
Is she your sister? Is she your sister?
तुम्हारे कितने भाई बहन हैं?
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
क्या तुम सबसे छोटे हो?
Are you the youngest? Are you the youngest?
क्या तुम सबसे बड़े हो?
Are you the eldest? Are you the eldest?
क्या तुम पार्टीज में जाते हो?
Do you go to the parties? Do you go to the parties?
क्या आप रोज वीडियोस देखते हो?
Do you watch videos daily? Do you watch videos daily?
क्या आपको भी रोज नए सेंटेंस सीखने में मजा आता है?
Do you also enjoy learning new sentences every day? Do you also enjoy learning new sentences every day?
तुमने मुझे धोखा दिया।
You ditch me. You ditch me.
हमने कल पिक्चर देखी।
We saw a movie yesterday. We saw a movie yesterday. Garima sleep while walking. Garima sleep while walking.
अनु ने समय रहते काम खत्म कर लिया।
Anu completed her work in time. Anu completed her work in time.
मैनेजर ने छुट्टी वाले दिन ऑफिस बुलाकर त्योहार का सारा मजा खराब कर दिया।
The manager spoiled the entire fun of the festival by calling us to the office on a holiday.
मेरे दादाजी सुबह ही ब्रेड और अंडे ले आए थे।
My grandfather bought bread and eggs in the morning itself.
मैंने कल ही मोबाइल रिचार्ज कराया।
I recharged my mobile yesterday itself.
उनकी पिछले हफ्ते शादी हो गई।
They got married last week.
रोहित ने मुझसे 50 रुपए लिए थे।
Rohit took 50 rupees from me. Rohit took 50 rupees from me.
जब तक मैं दुकान पर पहुंचा तब तक सारे मोबाइल बिक चुके थे।
Till the time I reached the shop, all mobiles were sold.
मिठाई बासी थी तो मैंने फेंक दी।
The sweets were stale, so I threw them.
वो ऑफिस से आते हुए बर्गर लाता है।
While coming back from the office, he bought a burger.
मेरा 500 का चालान कट गया.
I got fined for rupees 500. I got fined for rupees 500.
गिफ्ट खोलकर वो हैरान हो गया.
He got surprised after opening the gift. He got surprised.
मेरे 100 में 85 नंबर आए.
I got 85 marks out of 100. I got 85 marks out of 100.
मैं वहाँ मौजूद था जब एक्सीडेंट हुआ.
I was present there when the accident took place. I was present there when the accident took place.
उनके घर चोरी हो गई.
Their house got robbed. Their house got robbed.
चोर जेवर और 20,000 कैश लेकर भाग गया.
The thief ran away with jewelry and rupees 20,000 cash.
मेरा पड़ोसी सीढ़ियों से गिर गया.
My neighbor fell off the stairs. My neighbor fell off the stairs.
अरुण को प्रमोशन मिल गई.
Arun got promoted. Arun got promoted.
इस साल हमें सैलरी में बढ़िया हाइक मिला.
This year we got a good hike in our salary. This year we got a good hike in our salary.
सफलता रंग लाई.
Our efforts paid off. Our efforts paid off.
रीना को नौकरी से निकाल दिया.
Reena was laid off from the job. Reena was laid off from the job.
अमित को जॉब से रिजाइन करने को बोला गया.
Amit was asked to resign from his job. Amit was asked to resign from his job.
उसको मजबूरान अपना घर बेचना पड़ा.
He was compelled to sell his house. He was compelled to sell his house.
राहुल राणा को कंपनी के सीईओ बना गए. राहुल राणा को कंपनी का सीईओ बनाया गया.
Rahul Rana was appointed as the CEO of the company.
मैं मीटिंग में था जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया.
I was in a meeting when you called. I was in a meeting when you called.
मेरे जन्मदिन पर मैंने गरीबों में खाना बांटा.
I distributed food among the poor on my birthday.
हम पिछले साल मिले थे.
We met last year. We met last year.
मेरा चश्मा घर रह गया.
I left my spectacles at home. I left my spectacles at home.
मेरे फोन में चार्ज खत्म हो गया.
My phone battery died. My phone battery died.
मैंने बिजनेस में 2 लाख डुबा दिए.
I lost 2 lakhs in my business. I lost 2 lakhs in my business.
उसका बटवा चोरी हो गया.
His wallet got stolen. His wallet got stolen.
मेरा एडमिशन दिल्ली के एक कॉलेज में हो गया.
I got admission in one of the colleges of Delhi. I got admission in one of the college in Delhi.
गाड़ी बीच सड़क खराब हो गई.
The car broke down in the middle of the road. The car broke down in the middle of the road.
मशीनें खराब थी जब हमने बेची।
The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it. The machine was in a bad shape when we sold it.
उसने मुझे अपनी उम्र के बारे में झूठ बोला।
He lied to me about his age. He lied to me about his age.
वो पिछले मशीन यूके शिफ्ट हो गया। वो पिछले महीने यूके शिफ्ट हो गया।
He shifted to the UK last week. He shifted to the UK last week.
आकाश की सैलरी नहीं बढ़ी थी।
Akash's salary was not increased. Akash's salary was not increased.
उसने सही डिसीजन नहीं लिया।
He didn't take the right decision. He didn't take the right decision.
उस कंपनी की एचआर ने वापस कॉल नहीं किया।
That company's HR never called back. That company's HR never called back.
मुझे वो गाना पसंद नहीं आया।
I didn't like that song. I didn't like that song.
हम एनिवर्सरी पर कहीं नहीं गए।
We didn't go anywhere on your anniversary. We didn't go anywhere on our anniversary.
पिछले साल के क्वेश्चन पेपर इतने मुश्किल नहीं थे।
Previous year's question papers were not so tough. Previous year question paper were not so tough.
उस रेस्टोरेंट का खाना इतना अच्छा नहीं था।
That restaurant's food was not so tasty. That restaurant's food was not so tasty.
उसकी गाड़ी हाईवे पर खराब नहीं हुई थी।
His car didn't break down on the highway. His car didn't break down on the highway.
प्रकाश इस बार भी प्रमोट नहीं हुआ।
Prakash didn't get promoted even this year. Prakash didn't get promoted even this year.
पिछले साल वो एग्जाम नहीं हुआ था।
That exam wasn't conducted last year. That exam wasn't conducted last year.
पार्टी में किसी को मेरी याद नहीं आई।
Nobody missed me at the party. Nobody missed me at the party.
सिर्फ मेरा नहीं बल्कि बाकी सबका उस विषय पर यही ख्याल था।
Not only me, but everybody else also had the same opinion on that topic.
मैं वहां नहीं था जब ये हुआ।
I was not there when this happened. I was not there when this happened.
तनया ने यह नहीं बोला था कि वो नहीं आएगी।
Tanaya didn't say that she won't come. Tanaya didn't say that she won't come.
मुझे चोट नहीं लगी।
I didn't get hurt. I didn't get hurt.
मुझे उसने कुछ नहीं बताया।
He didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me anything.
मेरा मन नहीं था उससे बात करने का।
I wasn't feeling like talking to him. I wasn't feeling like talking to him.
मुझे तब भूख नहीं लगी थी।
I wasn't hungry then. I wasn't hungry then.
तुमने काफी समय से कुछ नहीं खाया हुआ।
You haven't eaten anything for a long time. You haven't eaten anything for a long time.
मैं तुम्हारा बहुत शुक्रगुजार होऊंगा।
I will be very thankful to you. I will be very thankful to you.
मैं इस बारे में सोच कर बताऊंगा।
I will let you know after giving it a thought. I will let you know after giving it a thought.
मैं घर पर खाली बैठकर बोर हो जाऊंगा।
I will get bored by sitting idle at home.
उसे कल हॉस्पिटल जाना होगा।
She will have to go to the hospital tomorrow.
ट्यूशन से आकर बच्चे सो जाएंगे।
The kids will sleep after coming from tuition.
वो किसी भी समय पहुंचता होगा।
He will be reaching here any minute. He will be reaching here any minute.
हम अगले महीने नए घर में शिफ्ट होंगे।
We will shift to a new house next month.
अगर मैंने अच्छे से काम नहीं किया तो मेरी जगह किसी और को लगा दिया जाएगा।
If I don't perform well, I will get replaced by someone else.
तुम ठीक हो जाओगे।
You will be fine. You will be fine.
हम मैच जीत जाएंगे।
We will win the match. We will win the match.
मैं तुम्हारी कॉल का इंतज़ार करूँगा।
I will wait for your call. I will wait for your call.
इस बोतल से पानी लीक नहीं करेगा।
This bottle will not leak. This bottle will not leak.
वो अपना लोन नहीं चुका पाएगा।
He won't be able to repay his loan. He won't be able to repay his loan.
मैं नहीं आ पाऊँगा।
I won't be able to come. I won't be able to come.
वो तुम्हें चौका नहीं देगा।
वह तुम्हें
धोखा नहीं देगा।
He will not ditch you. He will not ditch you.
अगर मैंने आज केबल रिचार्ज नहीं किया तो कल से चैनल नहीं चलेगा।
If I don't recharge my cable today, then the channels will not work from tomorrow.
ये मिक्सर मेरे काम नहीं आएगा।
This mixer will not be useful to me. This mixer will not be useful to me.
मैं कभी किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करूँगा।
I will never trust anybody. I will never trust anybody.
मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं होगा।
I will not have that much time. I will not have that much time.
मैं ऐसा बर्ताव कभी बर्दाश्त नहीं करूँगा।
I will never tolerate this behavior. I will never tolerate this behavior.
तुम्हें कुछ नहीं होगा।
Nothing will happen to you. Nothing will happen to you.
ऐसा चलता रहा तो तुम कभी एग्ज़ाम में पास नहीं होगे।
If this goes on, you will never pass in your exam. If this goes on, you will never pass in your exam.
मैं उतने पैसे नहीं जुटा पाऊँगा।
I will not be able to arrange that much money. I will not be able to arrange that much money.
अगर मेरे हाथ में होता तो मैं किसी को प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बनने दूंगा।
If it were in my hands, I will not let anyone become the prime minister.
मुझे मेरे माँ बाप कभी ट्रिप पर जाने की इजाज़त नहीं देंगे।
My parents will never allow me to go on a trip.
मैं दोबारा कभी उस रेस्टोरेंट नहीं जाऊंगा।
I will never go to that restaurant again.
क्या तुम अगले महीने लंदन जाओगे?
Will you go to London next month?
बैंक अकाउंट खुलवाने के लिए कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट चाहिए होंगे?
Which all documents will be required for opening a bank account?
तुम वहाँ जाकर क्या करोगे?
What will you do after going there? What will you do after going there?
तुम 12वीं के बाद क्या करोगे?
What will you after 12th? What will you after 12th?
तुम अपना खर्चा कैसे चलाओगे?
How will you manage your expenses? How will you manage your expenses?
तुम अपनी पहली सैलरी का क्या करोगे?
What will you do with your first salary? What will you do with your first salary?
तुम अपनी एनिवर्सरी पर क्या करोगे?
What will you do on your anniversary? What will you do on your anniversary?
तुम डिनर में क्या खाना पसंद करोगे?
What will you like to have for dinner? What will you like to have for dinner?
खाने में अभी और कितना समय लगेगा?
How long will it take for dinner? How long will it take for dinner?
क्या तुम उसे बदला लोगे?
Will you take revenge from him? Will you take revenge from him?
तुम एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कब करोगे?
When will you prepare for exam? When will you prepare for exam?
क्या तुम आज मेरे लिए चाय बना दोगे?
Will you make tea for me today? Will you make tea for me today?
क्या तुम नाश्ते में सैंडविच खाओगे?
Will you have sandwich in breakfast? Will you have sandwich in breakfast?
क्या तुम दिवाली पर अपने घर जाओगे?
Will you go home on Diwali? Will you go home on Diwali?
क्या तुम मेरे साथ कॉफ़ी पियोगे?
Will you have coffee with me? Will you have coffee with me?
क्या ये शर्ट इस जीन्स के साथ सही लगेगी?
Will this shirt look fine with this jeans? Will this shirt look fine with this jeans?
तुम्हें स्टेशन पर कौन छोड़ने आएगा?
Who will come to drop you to the station? Who will come to drop you to the station?
क्या तुम अकेले चले जाओगे?
Will you manage to go by yourself? Will you manage to go by yourself?
क्या तुम टाइम पर पहुंच जाओगे?
Will you reach on time? Will you reach on time?
क्या तुम चुप करोगे?
Will you shut up? Will you shut up?
क्या तुम्हें लेने कोई एयरपोर्ट पर आएगा?
Will anybody come at the airport to pick you up? Will anybody come at the airport to pick you up?
क्या तुम घर जाने के लिए ऑटो लोगे?
Will you take an auto rickshaw to go home? Will you take an auto rickshaw to go home?
क्या तुम मूवी देखने जाओगे?
Will you go to watch a movie? Will you go to watch a movie?
तुम मेरे जन्मदिन पर मुझे क्या तोहफा दोगे?
What will you gift me on my birthday? What will you gift me on my birthday?
क्या तुम आज डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे?
Will you visit the doctor today? Will you visit the doctor today?
क्या कैब में जाना
सुरक्षित
होगा?
Will it be safe to travel by cab? Will it be safe to travel by cab?
क्या शाम को उस रोड से आना सेफ होगा?
Will it be safe to take that road in the evening? Will it be safe to take that road in the evening?
क्या तुम इस समय वापस जाओगे?
Will you go back at this time? Will you go back at this time?
मैं बस ऑफिस के लिए निकल रहा हूँ।
I am just leaving for office. I am just leaving for office.
हम खाना खाकर निकल रहे हैं।
We are leaving after finishing our meal. We are leaving after finishing our meal.
मैं 2 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ।
I am coming in 2 minutes. I am coming in 2 minutes.
वो 10 मिनट में पहुँच रहा है।
He is reaching in 10 minutes. He is reaching in 10 minutes.
मैं एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ।
I am preparing for exams. I am preparing for exams.
मैं ऑनलाइन खाना मंगवा रहा हूँ।
I am ordering food online. I am ordering food online.
वो किसी को कॉल कर रहा है।
He is calling somebody. He is calling somebody.
वो कैब से जा रहे हैं।
They are going by cab. They are going by cab.
मैंने फ्लाइट से सिंगापुर जा रहा हूँ। मैं फ्लाइट से सिंगापुर जा रहा हूँ।
I am flying to Singapore. I am flying to Singapore.
बच्चा सो रहा है।
The child is sleeping. The child is sleeping.
मैं बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ रहा हूँ।
I am dropping the kids to school. I am dropping the kids to school.
आज हम
आलू के पकोड़े बना रहे हैं. We are making potato fritters today. We are making potato fritters today. कोई घंटी बजा रहा है. Someone is ringing the bell. Someone is ringing the bell.
पवन वहाँ बैठा है।
Pawan is sitting there. Pawan is sitting there.
मैं गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में शिमला जाने का प्लान बना रहा हूँ।
I am planning to go to Shimla during summer vacations. I am planning to go to Shimla during summer vacations.
हम नया घर लेने की सोच रहे हैं।
We are planning to buy a new house. We are planning to buy a new house.
मैं पासपोर्ट के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ।
I am applying for passport. I am applying for passport.
मैं रात को 9 बजे से शो की टिकट बुक कर रहा हूँ।
I am booking tickets for the 9 p.m. show. I am booking tickets for the 9 p.m. show.
वो सबको अपने जन्मदिन की फोटो दिखा रहा है.
He is showing his birthday's picture to everyone. He is showing his birthday's picture to everyone.
टारगेट पूरे होने पे बॉस पार्टी दे रहा है.
The boss is throwing a party on achieving the targets. The boss is throwing a party on achieving a targets.
लगातार बारिश हो रही है.
It is raining continuously. It is raining continuously.
सूरज तेज चमक रहा है.
The sun is shining bright. The sun is shining bright.
तुम्हारा फोन बज रहा है.
Your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing.
मैं पानी की बोतल भर रहा हूँ.
I am filling the water bottle. I am filling the water bottle.
सूरज ढल रहा है.
The sun is setting. The sun is setting.
रेडियो पर तुम्हारा पसंदीदा गाना आ रहा है.
Your favorite song is playing on the radio. Your favorite song is playing on the radio.
समय दौड़ रहा है.
Time is running. Time is running. अशफाक बास्केटबॉल खेल रहा है. अशफाक is playing basketball. अशफाक is playing basketball.
फातिमा बच्चों को पढ़ा रही है.
Fatima is teaching kids. Fatima is teaching kids.
फैज के समय नहा रहा है.
Faiz is taking a shower at the moment. Faiz is taking a shower at the moment. टंकी बह रही है. The tank is overflowing. The tank is overflowing. मेरी दाई आँख फड़क रही है. My right eye is twitching. My right eye is twitching.
मैं यह चैप्टर छोड़ रहा हूँ.
I am skipping this chapter. I am skipping this chapter.
सब लाइन में खड़े हैं.
Everybody is standing in a queue. Everybody is standing in a queue.
मैं अपनी बारी का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ.
I am waiting for my turn. I am waiting for my turn.
मैं पुणे से MBA कर रहा हूँ.
I am pursuing MBA from Pune. I am pursuing MBA from Pune.
मैं बस से आ रहा हूँ.
I am coming by bus. I am coming by bus.
मैं अपना पासवर्ड तुम्हें दे रहा हूँ.
I am sharing my password with you. I am sharing my password with you.
मैं आजकल अपने मामा के घर आ रहा हूँ.
I am staying at my uncle's place these days. I am staying at my uncle's place these days.
मैं यह फाइल मेल में अटैच करके भेज रहा हूँ.
I am sending this file after attaching it to the mail. I am sending this file after attaching it to the mail.
तुम्हारे एग्ज़ाम आ रहे हैं.
Your exams are approaching. Your exams are approaching.
मैं इस बार बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ.
I am working very hard this time. I am working very hard this time.
मेरे मोबाइल में आज दिक्कत आ रही है.
I am having problems with my mobile today. I am having problems with my mobile today.
मैं अपने काम में ध्यान लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
I am trying to concentrate on my work. I am trying to concentrate on my work.
मुझे आज अपनी तबीयत खराब लग रही है.
I am feeling sick today. I am feeling sick today.
मैं पेमेंट कर रहा हूँ.
I am making the payment. I am making the payment.
तुम्हारे
बाल
बाल
झड़ रहे हैं. Your hair is falling. Your hair is falling.
तुम्हारे बाल सफ़ेद हो रहे हैं.
Your hair is turning grey. Your hair is turning grey.
हम उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि इस साल हमें
Possession मिल जाएगा. We are expecting that this year we will get the possession. We are expecting that this year we will get the possession.
एचसीएल मुझे 6 लाख का पैकेज ऑफर कर रहा है.
SCL is offering me a package worth rupees 6 lakh. SCL is offering me a package worth rupees 6 lakh.
बच्चा जमीन पर रेंग रहा है.
The child is crawling on the floor. The child is crawling on the floor.
मैं थोड़ी देर बाद
मैं थोड़ी देर बेड पर लेट रहा हूँ. I am lying on the bed for some time. I am lying on the bed for some time.
कपड़े सूख रहे हैं.
Clothes are drying. Clothes are drying.
मैं मार्केट से चीनी लेके आ रहा हूँ.
I am getting sugar from the market. I am getting sugar from the market.
मेरा
मोमोज खाने का मन हो रहा है. I feel like having dumplings. I feel like having dumplings.
मैं दवाई ले रहा हूँ.
I am taking my medicines. I am taking my medicines.
मेरा
वजन
वजन
कम
कम
नहीं हो रहा. I am not losing weight. I am not losing weight.
मेरे बाल नहीं बढ़ रहे.
My hair is not growing. My hair is not growing.
तुम
मुझ पर कोई एहसान नहीं कर रहे. You are not doing any favor to me. You are not doing any favor to me.
तुम खाना ठीक से नहीं चबा रहे.
You are not chewing your food properly. You are not chewing your food properly.
मैं वह वाली वीडियो नहीं देख रहा.
I am not watching that video. I am not watching that video.
वह आज काम पर नहीं आ रहा.
He is not coming to work today. He is not coming to work today.
बच्चे
बहाने बनाना बंद करो. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses.
मैं किसी को वोट नहीं दे रहा.
I am not voting anybody. I am not voting anybody.
सुमेरा को कॉल नहीं लगा रहा.
The call is not connecting to Sumera. The call is not connecting to Sumera.
मेरा इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा.
My internet is not working. My internet is not working.
सुमित कॉल नहीं उठा रहा.
Sumit is not taking the call. Sumit is not taking the call.
अलीशा मेरे मैसेज का जवाब नहीं दे रही.
Alisha is not responding to my messages. Alisha is not responding to my messages.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि अमित कॉल करेगा।
I am not expecting any call from Amit. I am not expecting any call from Amit.
मेरी फ़ोटो लेना बंद करो।
Stop taking my pictures. Stop taking my pictures.
मैं तुम्हारी फ़ोटो नहीं खींच रहा।
I am not clicking your pictures. I am not clicking your pictures.
वो तुम्हें पागल नहीं बना रही।
She is not making a fool of you. She is not making a fool of you.
वो तुम्हारा मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहा।
वो हमारा मजाक नहीं उड़ा रहे. They are not making fun of us. They are not making fun of us.
मम्मी आज खाना नहीं बना रही।
My mother is not cooking food today. My mother is not cooking food today.
वो
वह
रट्टा नहीं मार रहा।
She is not mugging up. She is not mugging up.
हम इस बार पटाखे नहीं जला रहे।
We are not burning crackers this time. We are not burning crackers this time.
मैं तुम्हारे सीक्रेट किसी को नहीं बता रहा।
I am not sharing your secrets with anyone. I am not sharing your secrets with anyone.
क्या तुम कुछ कर रहे हो?
Are you doing something? Are you doing something?
क्या तुम किसी चीज़ पर काम कर रहे हो?
Are you working on something? Are you working on something?
तुम अपनी फ़ोटो क्यों डिलीट कर रहे हो?
Why are you deleting your photos? Why are you deleting your photos?
तुम ये पेजेस क्यों फाड़ रहे हो?
Why are you tearing these pages? Why are you tearing these pages?
तुम रो क्यों रहे हो?
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
तुम
चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो? Why are you yelling? Why are you yelling?
तुम मुझे उस दिन की फ़ोटो कब भेज रहे हो?
When are sending me that day's photos? When are sending me that day's photos?
तुम किस खुशी में यह पार्टी दे रहे हो?
What's the occasion for throwing this party? What's the occasion for throwing this party?
किसका फ़ोन बज रहा है?
Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone is ringing?
क्या तुम मुझे मेल भेज रहे हो?
Are you sending me the mail? Are you sending me the mail?
क्या तुम उसे पैसे उधार दे रहे हो?
Are you lending him money? Are you lending him money?
तुम दूध क्यों नहीं पी रहे हो?
Why aren't you having milk? Why aren't you having milk?
क्या तुम सच बता रहे हो?
Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth?
तुम मेरे मैसेज का रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
Why are you not responding to my messages? Why are you not responding to my messages?
वो तुम पर चिल्ला क्यों रही है?
Why is she yelling at you? Why is she yelling at you?
तुम डॉक्टर के पास कब जा रहे हो?
When are you visiting the doctor? When are you visiting the doctor?
क्या हम आज खाना बाहर खा रहे हैं?
Are we having food outside today? Are we having food outside today?
क्या तुम बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ने जा रहे हो?
Are you dropping the kids to school? Are you dropping the kids to school?
क्या तुम्हें मच्छर काट रहे हैं?
Are mosquitoes beating you? Are mosquitoes beating you?
क्या तुम्हें ठंड लग रही है?
Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold?
क्या तुम्हें गर्मी लग रही है?
Are you feeling hot? Are you feeling hot?
क्या बाहर कपड़े सूख रहे हैं?
Are the clothes drying outside? Are the clothes drying outside?
तुम्हें इतनी चीखें क्यों आ रही है?
Why are you sneezing so badly? Why are you sneezing so badly?
क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहे हो?
Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me?
क्या आप मेरे साथ लॉन्ग ड्राइव पर चल रहे हो?
Are you coming with me for a long drive? Are you coming with me for a long drive?
क्या तुम मुझसे मजाक कर रहे हो?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
क्या तुम अकेले अकेले चॉकलेट खा रहे हो?
Are you eating chocolate alone? Are you eating chocolate alone?
क्या आप ध्यान से सुन रहे हो?
Are you listening carefully? Are you listening carefully?
खत्म होने के बाद कोई वहां से हिलने का नाम नहीं ले रहा था।
Nobody was budging off after the party was over. Nobody was budging off after the party was over.
आंटी सब्जी वाले को आवाज लगा रही थी।
Auntie was calling the vegetable vendor. Auntie was calling the vegetable vendor.
बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे थे।
Kids were playing in the park. Kids were playing in the park.
वो ट्रेन के पीछे भाग रहा था।
He was running after the train. He was running after the train. मेघा नाच रही थी और प्रिया वीडियो बना रही थी। Megha was dancing and Priya was making the video.
हम भी दिल्ली शिफ्ट होने का सोच रहे थे।
We were also planning to shift to Delhi. We were also planning to shift to Delhi.
बच्चा चुपचाप सो रहा था जब घंटी बजी।
The baby was sleeping quietly when the bell rang. The baby was sleeping quietly when the bell rang.
वो दरवाजे के पीछे खड़े होके सबको डरा रहा था।
He was scaring everybody by standing behind the door. He was scaring everybody by standing behind the door.
मैं तो तुम्हें कब से बोल रहा था कि वो शाही लड़की नहीं है, सही लड़की नहीं है।
I was telling you since long that she is not the right girl. I was telling you since long that the girl not right.
जब बॉस ऑफिस में आया तब साहिल सबसे गप्पे मार रहा था।
When the boss entered, Sahil was gossiping with everyone.
राहुल प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में खड़ा था।
Rahul was standing in principal's office.
वो मुझसे माफी मांग रहा था।
He was apologizing to me. He was apologizing to me.
पिछली दिवाली में अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहा।
Last Diwali, I was preparing for my exams. Last Diwali, I was preparing for my exams.
कल रात कोई तुम्हारा दरवाजा खटखटा रहा था।
Last night, someone was knocking at your door. Last night someone was knocking at your door.
जब लाइट गई तब मैं कपिल का शो देख रहा था.
When the power went out, I was watching Kapil show. When the power went out, I was watching Kapil show.
पिछले हफ्ते मेरे काम इकट्ठे होते जा रहे थे.
Last week my work was piling up. Last week my work was piling up.
मैं चेतन
कैंटीन में लंच कर रहा था. I was having lunch in the canteen. I was having lunch in the canteen.
वो मुझे पंगा लेने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
He was trying to mess with me. He was trying to mess with me.
वो मुझे धमका रहा था.
He was threatening me. He was threatening me.
वो मुझे उकसा रहा था.
He was provoking me. He was provoking me.
वो मुझे चोट पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
He was trying to hurt me. He was trying to hurt me.
वो मुझे प्रोत्साहन दे रहा था.
He was encouraging me. He was encouraging me.
वो मुझे बदला ले रहा था. वो मुझसे बदला ले रहे थे.
They were taking revenge from me. They were taking revenge from me.
वो मुझे
नीचा दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. They were trying to demean me. They were trying to demean me.
मैं उनकी बढ़ाई कर रहा था.
I was praising them. I was praising them.
मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था.
I was having bhelpuri. I was having bhelpuri.
हर कोई कपिल के जोक पर हंस रहा था.
Everyone was laughing at Kapil's joke. Everyone was laughing at Kapil's joke.
मैं उसको उल्लू बना रहा था.
I was fooling him. I was fooling him.
वो मेरी जान के पीछे पड़ रहा था.
He was getting after my life. He was getting after my life.
मैं उसे अकेला नहीं छोड़ रहा था.
I was not leaving him alone. I was not leaving him alone.
वो मुझे नजर अंदाज कर रही थी.
She was ignoring me. She was ignoring me.
वो बहुत शहानी बन रही थी.
She was acting very clever. She was acting very clever.
वो सब देख रही थी.
She was observing everything. She was observing everything.
मुफ्त का खाना मिलने पर सब एक दूसरे पर गिरते जा रहे थे.
On getting free food, everyone was falling on one another.
बस के लेट आने पर हर कोई ड्राइवर के बारे में खरी खोटी सुना रहा था.
On the bus being late, everybody was creeping about the driver.
आरव डॉगी की नकल उतार रहा था.
Arav was mimicking a dog. Arav was mimicking a dog.
वो सारा इल्जाम खुद पर ले रहा था.
He was taking the entire blame on him. He was taking the entire blame on him.
वो तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था.
He was waiting for you. He was waiting for you.
वो लगातार बातें कर रहा था.
He was constantly talking. He was constantly talking.
मैं पार्क में घूम रहा था जब वो आया.
I was strolling in the park when he came. I was strolling in the park when he came.
वह उसे चिढ़ा रही थी.
She was teasing him. She was teasing him.
वह दिवाली के लिए अपना घर सजा रही थी.
They were decorating their house for Diwali. They were decorating their house for Diwali.
जब तुमने कॉल किया तब मैं सो नहीं रही थी.
I wasn't sleeping when you called. I wasn't sleeping when you called.
उसे कोई दवाई नहीं लग रही थी.
No medicine was working for him. No medicine was working for him.
वह किचन में किसी का हाथ नहीं बटा रही थी.
She was not helping anyone in the kitchen. She was not helping anyone in the kitchen.
उसे लगा मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा.
He thought I was not noticing. He thought I was not noticing.
मैं किसी को धमका नहीं रहा था.
I was not threatening anyone. I was not threatening anyone.
मैं यह नहीं
कह रहा था. I was not saying this. I was not saying this.
मैं मैसेज ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ रहा था.
I was not reading the messages carefully. I was not reading the messages carefully.
वह बढ़ा चढ़ाकर नहीं बता रहा था.
He was not exaggerating. He was not exaggerating.
वह किसी की नहीं सुन रहा था.
He was not listening to anyone. He was not listening to anyone.
तुम मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें गैस बंद करने को कहा.
You were not listening to me when I told you to turn off the gas.
वह कोई उम्मीद नहीं कर रहे थे.
They were not expecting anything. They were not expecting anything.
वह उसे डरा नहीं रहा था.
He was not frightening him. He was not frightening him.
वह उसे गुस्सा नहीं दिला रहा था.
He was not making him angry. He was not making him angry.
आरती ध्यान नहीं दे रही थी जब बॉस ने उसे बुलाया.
Aarti was not paying attention when the boss called her. Aarti was not paying attention when the boss called her.
वो चिल्ला नहीं रहे थे.
They were not yelling. They were not yelling.
तुम ध्यान से गाड़ी नहीं चला रहे थे.
You were not driving carefully. You were not driving carefully.
कुत्ता तुम्हारी तरफ नहीं दौड़ रहा था.
The dog was not running towards you. The dog was not running towards you.
मैं तुम पर नहीं चिल्ला रहा था.
I was not screaming at you. I was not screaming at you.
मैं तुम्हारी तरफ इशारा नहीं कर रहा था.
I was not pointing at you. I was not pointing at you.
वह माफी नहीं मांग रहा था.
He was not apologizing. He was not apologizing.
वह उसे माफ नहीं कर रहा था.
He was not forgiving him. He was not forgiving him.
मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोल रहा था.
I was not saying just like that. I was not saying just like that.
गाना मैं नहीं गा रहा था. बल्कि रोहित गा रहा था।
I was not the one who was singing, rather it was Rohit. I was not the one who was singing, rather it was Rohit.
वो जॉब के लिए सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ था।
He was not selected for the job. He was not selected for the job.
वह आखिर तक हार नहीं मान रहा था।
He was not giving up till the end. He was not giving up till the end.
मैं जल्दी में काम नहीं कर रहा था।
I was not rushing with my work. I was not rushing with my work.
कल पता है वो क्या बोल रहा था?
Do you know what he was saying yesterday? Do you know what he was saying yesterday?
क्या वह अच्छा बनने का नाटक कर रहा था?
Was he pretending to be a nice person? Was he pretending to be a nice person?
कौन चिल्ला रहा था?
Who was yelling? Who was yelling?
क्या तुम भी वही गाना सुन रहे थे?
Were you also listening to the same song? Were you also listening to the same song?
क्या तुम भी उसी मॉल से शॉपिंग कर रहे थे?
Were you also shopping from the same mall? Were you also shopping from the same mall?
क्या कल भी उसने वही कपड़े पहने हुए थे?
Was he wearing the same clothes yesterday? Was he wearing the same clothes yesterday?
तुम्हें किसका कॉल आ रहा था?
Who was calling you? Who was calling you?
तुम कल कहीं जा नहीं रहे थे?
Were you not going somewhere yesterday? Were you not going somewhere yesterday?
कौन इतना
बेसुरा गा रहा था? Who was singing so tunelessly? Who was singing so tunelessly?
क्या कोई मुझे नाम से बुला रहा था?
Was somebody calling my name? Was somebody calling my name?
वो
कहना क्या चाह रहा था? What was he trying to say? What was he trying to say?
क्या वह पार्टी में फोन के साथ लगा रहा?
Was he glued to his phone during the party?
क्या आप भी इस वीडियो के साथ अंत तक लगे रहे?
Were you also glued to this video till the end?
मैंने उसे सबक सिखा दिया है।
I have taught him a lesson.
मेरा 100 रुपए का नोट कहीं गिर गया है।
My 100 rupees note has fallen somewhere. My 100 rupees note has fallen somewhere.
मैंने इंटरव्यू पास कर लिया है।
I have cleared the interview. I have cleared the interview.
वह बहुत अच्छे नंबर से पास हुआ है।
He has cleared his exam with flying colors. He has cleared his exam with flying colors.
मैंने कई बार तुमसे यह सवाल पूछा है।
I have asked you this question several times. I have asked you question several times.
अरविंद ने बहुत बड़ा रिस्क ले लिया है।
Arvind has taken a very big risk. Arvind has taken a very big risk.
उसने मुझे यहाँ से जाने को बोला है।
He has asked me to leave this place. He has asked me to leave this place.
मकान मालिक ने हमें अगले महीने घर खाली करने को बोला है।
The landlord has asked to us vacate the house next month.
मैंने उसे कागजात मेल कर दिए हैं।
I have mailed him the documents. I have mailed him the documents.
तुमने तो सारी हदें ही पार कर दी।
You have crossed all limits. You have crossed all limits.
मुकाबले में लड़कियों ने लड़कों को पीछे छोड़ दिया है।
Girls have outperformed boys in the competition.
मैंने बस अभी ही सुमित को यहाँ से निकलते हुए देखा है।
I have just seen Sumit passing from here. I have just seen Sumit passing from here.
मैंने बहुत लोगों को यहाँ फिसलते हुए देखा है।
I have seen a lot of people sleeping here. I have seen a lot of people sleeping here.
मैंने यह गाना पहले सुना हुआ है।
I have listened to this song before. I have listened to this song before.
मैंने इसके बारे में तुम्हें चेतावनी दी है, आगे तुम्हारी मर्जी।
I have warned you about this. Rest is your choice.
उसने सबक सीख लिया है।
He has learnt a lesson. He has learnt a lesson.
मैंने वह बाइक बेच दी है।
I have sold that bike. I have sold that bike.
हम पहले ही इस दुकान पर बहुत पैसे कम करवा चुके हैं।
We have already bargained a lot at this shop. We have already bargained a lot at this shop.
मैंने अपने खर्चे कम कर दिए हैं।
I have cut down my expenses. I have cut down my expenses.
उन्होंने लिस्ट में से मेरा नाम काट दिया है।
They have struck down my name from the list. They have struck down my name from the list.
वो दूसरे शहर चले गए हैं।
They have moved to another city. They have moved to another city.
उन्होंने हमें शादी की तारीख पहले से ही रखी है।
They have informed us about the wedding dates beforehand. They have informed us about the wedding date beforehand.
हमने बच्चों को एग्जाम की तैयारी करा दी है।
We have prepared the children for the exam. We have prepared the children for the exam.
मैंने दूध फ्रिज में रख दिया है।
I have kept the milk in refrigerator. I have kept the milk in refrigerator.
मैंने कूड़ेदान खाली कर दिया है।
I have emptied the dustbin. I have emptied the dustbin.
उसने सारी अखबार फेंक दी है।
He has thrown all newspapers. He has thrown all newspapers.
उसने मेरी फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट को नज़रअंदाज कर दिया है।
He has ignored my friend request. He has ignored my friend request.
प्रिया ने मेरी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर दी है।
Priya has ruined my life. Priya has ruined my life.
मैंने यह काफी बार देखा है।
I have noticed this several times. I have noticed this several times.
मैंने बहुत झेल लिया है।
I have had enough. I have had enough.
उसने मेरा मूड खराब कर दिया है।
He has spoiled my mood. He has spoiled my mood.
उसने भी वह पिक्चर देख रखी है।
He has also watched that movie. He has also watched that movie.
नकुल ने ट्यूशन जाना स्टार्ट कर दिया है।
Nakul has started going to tuition. Nakul has started going to tuition.
इंडिया मैच जीत गया है।
India has won the match. India has won the match.
विराट ने सेंचुरी बना ली है।
Virat has scored a century. Virat has scored a century.
इजाज के लिए हमने कुछ पैसे जोड़े हैं।
We have collected some money for the treatment. We have collected some money for the treatment.
मैंने यह क्वेश्चन बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया है।
I have practiced this question a lot. I have practiced this question a lot.
मैंने यह देखा है कि लोग इतनी आसानी से हार नहीं मानते हैं।
I have seen that people don't give up so easily. I have seen that people don't give up so easily.
तेज गाड़ी चलाने की वजह से उसका चालान कट गया है।
He has got fined for over speeding. He has got fined for over speeding.
उसने मेट्रो पकड़ ली है।
He has boarded the metro. He has boarded the metro.
वह फिर से फेल हो गया है।
He has flunked again. He has flunked again.
उसने गलत लोगों को पैसे उधार देने की वजह से बहुत भुगता है।
He has suffered a lot because of lending money to the wrong people.
तुमसे शादी करके मैंने बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी है।
I have made a huge mistake by marrying you. I have made a huge mistake by marrying you.
अब तो मैंने लड़ाई छेड़ ली है।
I have picked up a fight now. I have picked up a fight now.
उसने अपने टाइम में बहुत कमाया है।
He has earned a lot during his time. He has earned a lot during his time.
मैंने क्रेडिट कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया है।
I have applied for a credit card. I have applied for a credit card.
मैंने तुम्हारे नाम पर चेक काटा है।
I have drawn a check in your name. I have drawn a check in your name.
मैंने तुम्हारे अकाउंट में पैसे भेजे हैं।
I have transferred money to your account. I have transferred money to your account.
तुम्हें अब तक पैसे मिल गए होंगे।
You must have received the money by now. You must have received the money by now.
मार्केट में हर चीज का दाम बढ़ गया है।
Prices have inflated for everything in the market. Prices have inflated for everything in the market.
उसने अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत भुगता है।
He has suffered a lot in his life. He has suffered a lot in his life.
मैं पहले से अपना वीकेंड प्लान कर चुका हूँ।
I have planned my weekend already. I have planned my weekend already.
वरुण ने नेहा को गलत साबित कर दिया।
Varun has proved Neha wrong. Varun has proved Neha wrong.
उन्होंने अपना घर गिरवी रख दिया है।
They have mortgaged their house. They have mortgaged their house.
दीपिका और रणवीर ने अपनी शादी की डेट्स घोषित कर दी है।
Deepika and Ranveer have announced their wedding dates. Deepika and Ranveer have announced their wedding dates.
मैंने सबको अपने मार्क्स से हैरान कर दिया है।
I have surprised everyone with my marks. I have surprised everyone with my marks.
मैं उसे उस हादसे के बारे में बताने का साहस नहीं जुटा पाया हूँ।
I haven't gathered the courage to tell him about the accident.
हमने सीढ़ियों से एक दूसरे से बात नहीं की है।
We have,
हमने सदियों से एक दूसरे से बात नहीं की है।
we have not talked to each other since
अभी तक कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं बनाई है।
he has not made any girlfriend yet.
रितु ने अभी तक अपनी शादी की ड्रेस नहीं डिसाइड की है।
Ritu has not decided her wedding dress yet.
वह अभी तक नहीं नहाया है।
He has not taken a bath yet.
मैंने कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं ले रखी है।
I have not taken any responsibility. I have not taken any responsibility.
मैं उसे पहले कभी नहीं मिला हुआ हूँ।
I have never met him before. I have never met him before.
उन्होंने हमें कभी खाने पर नहीं बुलाया है।
They have never invited us for dinner. They have never invited us for dinner.
उसने मेरे पैसे वापस नहीं करे हैं।
He has not returned my money. He has not returned my money.
उम्मीद है कि वह हमारे पैसे लेकर भाग नहीं गया है।
I hope he has not played with our money. I hope he has not played with our money.
बारिश अभी रुकी नहीं है।
That rain has not stopped it. That rain has not stopped it.
तुमने अभी तक बिल नहीं भरा है।
You haven't made the payment yet. You haven't made the payment yet.
फैज़ ने उनको समझाने की कोशिश भी नहीं की है।
Faiz has not even tried to explain them. Faiz has not even tried to explain them.
उसने मुझ पर कोई एहसान नहीं किया है।
He has not done any favor to me. He has not done any favor to me.
उसने पहले कभी फुटबॉल नहीं खेली है।
He has never played football before. He has never played football before.
उस डॉक्टर ने ऐसे केसेस पहले नहीं देखे हुए हैं।
The doctor hasn't dealt with such cases before. The doctor hasn't dealt with such cases before.
उसने अपनी रिटायरमेंट की प्लानिंग नहीं की है।
He hasn't planned for his retirement. He hasn't planned for his retirement.
उसने अभी तक मुझे मैसेज नहीं किया है।
She hasn't dropped me a message yet. She hasn't dropped me a message yet.
मैंने अभी तक छुट्टियों के लिए अप्लाई नहीं किया है।
I haven't applied for leaves yet. I haven't applied for leaves yet.
मैंने शादी की शॉपिंग नहीं की है।
I haven't shopped for the wedding. I haven't shopped for the wedding.
बॉस ने मेरी छुट्टी अलाउ नहीं की है।
Boss hasn't sanctioned my leave. Boss hasn't sanctioned my leave.
मैंने जुकाम की कोई दवाई नहीं ली।
I haven't taken any medicine for cold. I haven't taken any medicine for cold.
किसी ने इस बात पर ध्यान नहीं दिया।
Nobody has noticed this. Nobody has noticed this.
उसने एक भी वादा पूरा नहीं किया है।
He has not fulfilled even one promise. He has not fulfilled even one promise.
क्या उन्होंने तुम्हें माफ किया है?
Have they forgiven you? Have they forgiven you?
क्या वह कोई मैसेज छोड़ गए हैं?
Have they left any message? Have they left any message?
क्या वह तुम्हें चाबी दे के गए हैं?
He has given you the keys before leaving. He has given you the keys before leaving.
क्या तुमने टिकट बुक करा दी?
Have you booked the tickets? Have you booked the tickets?
क्या तुमने पिक्चर देख ली?
Have you seen the movie? Have you seen the movie?
क्या उसने होमवर्क खत्म कर लिया?
Has he completed the homework? Has he completed the homework?
क्या तुमने कोई जिम ज्वाइन किया है?
Have you joined any gym? Have you joined any gym?
क्या तुमने कभी तंदूरी मोमोज खाए हैं?
Have you ever tried tandoori momos? Have you ever tried tandoori momos?
क्या तुम चाबियां घर भूल आए हो?
Have you forgotten the keys at home? Have you forgotten the keys at home?
क्या उसने तुम्हें पार्टी पर बुलाया है?
Has she invited you to the party? Has she invited you to the party?
क्या वह तुम्हारा बर्थडे भूल गया है?
Has he forgotten your birthday? Has he forgotten your birthday?
क्या तुमने उसके जन्मदिन पर कोई तोहफा दिया है?
Have you gifted him anything on his birthday? Have you gifted him anything on his birthday?
क्या तुमने कमरा साफ कर दिया?
Have you cleaned the room? Have you cleaned the room?
क्या उसने तुम्हें छोड़ने का फैसला लिया है?
Has she decided to leave him? Has she decided to leave you?
क्या तुम अपना खाना लाए हो?
Have you brought your lunch? Have you brought your lunch?
क्या तुम मेरा नाम भूल गए हो?
Have you forgotten my name? Have you forgotten my name?
क्या तुमने भी वह चैप्टर छोड़ा है?
Have you also skipped that chapter? Have you also skipped that chapter?
क्या उसने तुम्हें किसी और के साथ देख लिया?
Has she seen you with somebody else? Has she seen you with somebody else?
क्या तुमने उसे अपने अतीत के बारे में बताया?
Have you told him about your past? Have you told him about your past?
क्या तुमने इसका नतीजा पहले नहीं सोचा था?
Have you not thought of the consequence before?
क्या तुमने उसे मिठाई लाने को बोला है?
Have you asked him to bring the sweets? Have you asked him to bring the sweets?
क्या तुमने इसके बारे में पहले सोचा था?
Have you thought about it before? Have you thought about it before?
क्या तुमने नाम डिसाइड कर लिया?
Have you decided the name? Have you decided the name?
क्या तुमने पुलिस को बता दिया?
Have you informed the police? Have you informed the police?
क्या तुमने सिलेबस खत्म कर लिया है?
Have you completed the syllabus? Have you completed the syllabus?
क्या उसने तुमसे कभी झूठ बोला है?
Has he ever lied to you? Has he ever lied to you?
क्या उसने तुम्हें धमकाया है?
Has he threatened you? Has he threatened you?
क्या उसे इस कंपनी में 1 साल हो गया?
Has he completed a year in his company? Has he completed a year in this company?
क्या अपने इस वीडियो में नए वर्ड सीखे हैं?
Have you learned new words in this video? Have you learned new words in this video?
क्या आपने इस वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर किया है?
Have you like, comment and shared this video? Have you like, comment and shared this video?
मैंने अपने टाइम में बड़ों बड़ों के चक्के छुड़ाए थे।
I had defeated many big players during my time.
आज मेरा पैर मुड़ गया था।
I had twisted my ankle today.
मैंने नाश्ते में सैंडविच खाया था।
I had had sandwich in breakfast. I had had sandwich in breakfast.
कल हम ऑफिस पार्टी के लिए किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गए थे।
Yesterday we had gone to some restaurant for office party.
मैं तुम्हारा फ़ोन रिचार्ज करवा चुका था।
I had already recharged your phone. I had already recharged your phone.
मैं घर पर बिना बताए प्रिया से मिलने चला गया था।
I had gone to meet Priya without informing at home.
जब तुमने मुझे कॉल किया था तब तक तुम्हारा कुरियर आ चुका था।
When you called up, your courier had already arrived.
अगर तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी होती तो आज हम इस हाल में ना होते।
If you had listened to me, we would not have been in this state today.
वह शादी के कार्ड बांट चुके थे।
They had distributed the wedding cards. They had distributed the wedding cards.
मैं टिकट बुक करा चुका था।
I had booked the tickets. I had booked the tickets.
मैं उससे बुक वापस कर आया था। मैं उसे बुक वापस कर आया था।
I had returned the book to him. I had returned the book to him.
मैं बैंक में पैसे जमा करवाया था।
I had deposited the money in bank. I had deposited the money in bank.
मैं फुटबॉल टीम में अपना नाम लिखवा आया था।
I had got my name registered in the football team.
मैंने यह शर्ट काफ़ी पहले खरीदी थी।
I had purchased this shirt long back. I had purchased this shirt long back.
मैंने तुम्हारे बर्थडे की सारी फोटोज खींची थी।
I had clicked all your birthday's pictures. I had clicked all your birthday's pictures.
वह 12वीं में फेल हो गया था।
He had failed in 12th. He had failed in 12th.
पिछले साल मैं नैनीताल घूमने गया था।
Last year I had gone to Nainital for a vacation.
कॉलेज खत्म होने के बाद वह मुंबई चला गया था।
He had moved to Mumbai after finishing his college.
उसने मुझे ये बात अपने तक ही रखने को कही थी, पर फिर भी मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया।
He had asked me to keep this to myself, but I still told you.
मैंने बिना अटैचमेंट के ही मेल भेज दिया था।
I had sent the mail without the attachment. I had sent the mail without the attachment.
वह तो कब का वहाँ पहुँच गया था।
He had reached there long back. He had reached there long back.
शादी पर जाने से पहले मैं सारे काम खत्म कर चुका था.
Before going to the wedding, I had completed all my work.
वोहर खत्म होने से पहले ही मैंने उससे आउट कर दिया था.
I had knocked him out before completing the over.
मेरा चार्जर घर रह गया था.
I had left my charger at home.
आगरा में मैंने अपना कैमरा गुमा दिया था.
I had lost my camera in Agra. I had lost my camera in Agra.
उसने शराब बहुत ज़्यादा पी ली थी.
He had consumed a lot of alcohol. He had consumed a lot of alcohol.
साइमा ने एग्ज़ाम दिया था.
Saima had appeared for the exam.
मेरे पहुंचने से पहले तुम जा चुके थे.
You had left before I reached. You had left before I reached.
उन्होंने घर की मरम्मत करवाई थी.
They had renovated their house. They had renovated their house.
करीम ने मुझे कुछ पैसे उधार दिए थे.
Karim had lent me some money. Karim had lent me some money.
मैंने राहुल के घर जाना छोड़ दिया था.
I had stopped going to Rahul's place. I had stopped going to Rahul's place.
उन्होंने हमें डिनर पर बुलाया था.
They had invited us for dinner. They had invited us for dinner.
मैं इतना टाइम बाहर का खाना खाने से बचा रहा था.
I had avoided eating outside for a long time. I had avoided eating outside for a long time.
बीमार पड़ने की वजह से मेरी जॉब चली गई थी.
I had lost my job because of falling ill. I had lost my job because of falling ill.
कंपनी वालों ने किसी और को पहले से ही सिलेक्ट कर रखा था.
The company had already selected someone else. The company had already selected someone else.
मैंने पहले ही बोला था यह होगा.
I had already told you that this would happen. I had already told you that this would happen.
वह किसी और के साथ भाग गई थी.
She had played with someone else. She had played with someone else.
विकास ने बहुत पहले ही सीमा को छोड़ दिया था.
Vikas had left Seema long back. Vikas had left Seema long back.
मैं आज अपनी किताब घर ही भूल आया था.
I had forgotten my books at home. I had forgotten my books at home.
प्रीति ने कल बहुत स्वाद खाना बनाया था.
Preeti had cooked delicious food yesterday. Preeti had cooked delicious food yesterday.
मैं कल
5 मंजिल चढ़ के गया था क्योंकि कल लिफ्ट नहीं चल रही थी. Yesterday I had climbed 5 stairs as the lift was not working.